You're tiny. Alright. It's your birthday. It's your birthday today. Good morning.
Now?
Yeah, it's your birthday now, right now, 12:44. That's what time you were born. You ready to get up?
Yes.
It's a lovely day.
Yes. It's my birthday. Am I 5?
Yep, how old are you today?
5.
Show me on your hands. Nice.
5.
You excited?
Yes.
I'm 5. Give me a hug.
So got your birthday hug.